Hello travelers, welcome to my channel. Let's watch another video about tourism and fun tips. Let's visit Paredão waterfall.
So guys, we are here in Paredão waterfall, Serra de Caldas, Parque, Caldas Novas cities, State of Goiás, Brazil. A beautiful place, so let's check it out. This is Paredão waterfall. It has 40-meter height, scenery, wonderful. Many fish in Paredão waterfall. Wonderful scenery. Beautiful place to go in Caldas Novas city. The best place I found in Serra de Caldas Park, it's here. I'm lying on the rocks and watching the water and Paredão waterfall. This waterfall is 40-meter high and there are two paths to reach it. At any time of the year, the park is open to the public and the entry is free. The people often go walking and cycling. The park is safe and has staff to help tourists in case of accident.